Titles are given to people who are deserving of honor based on their impact in the society. Chief Mrs. Dorothy O. Anegbe, loving wife of Chief Engineer Patrick I. Anegbe and CEO OGBORU Nigeria Enterprises, a major distributor to many distillers and foreign agents of alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks that has today won awards in and outside Nigeria. Over the years, our dedication to the development of our business community in Ota, Ogun State, and indigenous community, not leaving out the positive role she has played in the lives of many, made her worthy of the title conferred on her by His Royal Majesty Hrm Ojuromi II, JPMFR, the Ojuromi of Uromi Kingdom as the Edenokun of Uromi Kingdom. Hence, Kabiyesi TV welcome you to the Conferment of Chieftaincy title on Chief Mrs. Dorothy O. Anegbe, happening live at the Ojuromi of Uromi Palace, Uromi, Edo State.
I'm Chief Mrs. Dorothy Anegbe. The chieftaincy of today is the Hrm of Uromi Kingdom.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
How happy are you today, ma'am?
I'm very happy, and I give all the glory to God, because for Uromi Kingdom, women hardly being confirmed with a chieftaincy title. Being one of the recipients, I'm happy and I'm grateful to His Highness Edonije, our King, for this honor bestowed on me, and to the people of Uromi land.
This is tremendous. You will see your children's children. Children, you will see your children's children. This is first class. This is out of this world.
My name is Dorothy Anegbe, the Edonokun son, the last born. I mean, it's a great day. I'm happy to be here, seeing everyone here celebrating my mom. The whole family is here, and my mom, she's amazing. She's the most hardworking person I know. She's loving, generous, caring, always happy. So, and I appreciate, all her efforts in my life, what she's done for me, what I've seen her do for other people, how she tries to bring everyone up as well. So I appreciate her for that, Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much. Chief Mrs. I remember from
Uromi became a kingdom in 1460. Uromi, Irua, Biaja, Do, Ojuromi came together. Those were the first 5 kingdoms in Esa in 1460. Egoma became a kingdom in 1463. I think the last was 15-something, Kwebe and the rest. And we have had up to 17 or 18 kings in this town. The current and the most formidable now is His Royal Majesty Ansem Ojuromi Edenoje II, the Onoje of Uromi.
My name is Chief of Uromi. We are happy. It's a good woman. The husband is a good chief. I will pray for her. My young son back in the choir. Omono block da lilole. Okay, talk high. Ono gino Rihanna, Jacob or Rihanna, ono Jake talk high. This one of rest about Rihanna. Mane kauda support. My young kuna chief na. It is in the same issue. My work da lebamo. Ono Jake da lebamo. Buka.
I will do my best. I will serve my community with whatever I have. I've been doing it before, but now I will do more with this title they have bestowed on me, and I pray God help.
I'm Professor Dorothy Anegbe. The Hrm is a feminine title. It means there is no river. Hrm means river. Okun means ocean. Hrm means there is no river bigger than the ocean. In other words, there is no title bigger than the title given to her. There is no title bigger than her title. That is the highest title you can get for a female title in our palace.
Patrick Anegbe. I would say I thank God for today. My wife has been a wonderful woman to me. It's a woman that anybody will pray to have. A wife that is so supportive. She's not only my wife, she's not just the mother of my children, but a very good friend of mine. A wife that understands me very well. She knows when I need to be encouraged. She knows when I need to rest. She knows when I need to eat. In fact, a wife that can read me from head to toe. I thank God for her life. I thank God for our Onoje that he could spot her and decided to honor her with a chieftaincy title today, the Hrm of Uromi Kingdom. So I'm thankful to God and I thank everybody that was present there, all the NEJs, all the chiefs, all our well-wishers, friends that were present, including you, KBC TV. I thank you so much for covering this program. May God bless you. And I pray that we'll have other opportunities to meet. You will do the coverage again for us. God bless you. Thank you so much.
I say a very big thank you to them. Celebrations will never cease in their family. They will always have cause to celebrate, and as they go back home, they will get home in peace and meet their homes in peace.
I pray that the Almighty God will continue to bless her. Amen. Bless her with good health. Amen. Bless her with happiness. Amen. Bless our marriage with more love, amen, more unity. Amen. Bless our children. Amen. So together we continue to have a happy family. Amen. In Jesus' name, I pray.
It's been a wonderful time celebrating a woman of class and essence. She is indeed the definition of making a life by what we give. Here is wishing her more years of relevance and greatness as the Hrm of Uromi Kingdom, Uromi Edostate. Congratulations now.
You